Murray Hyundai Medicine Hat, coming back to you from my video series on the first ever sport adventure vehicle, the Hyundai Santa Cruz. Last time I went through the outside of it, we went through all around. This time I wanted to get inside and show you some of the features that it offers inside. So first and foremost, it's all about driving and comfort. So I'd just like to point out it does have an 8-way powered driver's seat, including lumbar support. Of course, they are heated and ventilated, and who can resist a heated steering wheel? Front and center, you've got a 10.25-inch full touch screen with navigation. You do get a Bose sound system as well, which includes FM, AM, SXM radio. You've got your Bluetooth and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay here as well. And right down here you do get a wireless phone charger, and once it starts charging it'll light up orange right here and let you know that it's charging. There's so much more that the Santa Cruz does have to offer, so keep watch for my next video where I get into some of the amazing safety features that it has. Again, Cherie from Murray Hyundai Medicine Hat, and thanks for watching.